Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. All right, just going to put on a quick little trade here. Going to go over my, justification. We got a nice little pullback, some nice little volume here. We got some green candles. It's in between the 9 and the 20-day simple moving averages. We got price retracing back to a previous pivot level, old resistance becoming new support. What we want to see here is some follow through, some more price action going up. So we should see some candlesticks forming here. We're going to want to get triggered into the trade. Our target price is going to be somewhere around 35.03 as the first TP. The second one could be, let's do a little symmetrical. Duplicate this. Could be somewhere around 36. But of course we want to get out below a psychological level. So we're probably going to get out somewhere around 36 bucks, 35.98. Something around those lines. Also stochastic, we have it in an oversold position. RSI is below 60, which means that it still has some room to go. So based on some technical analysis, we can justify ourselves and talk ourselves into this trade. But one key thing, we want to get triggered into this trade. So what are we going to do? We're going to buy stop limit order. Let's see if we can get a better zoom on this. There we go. So the high, we're going to basically figure out what our entry is going to be. So we're going to use the ATR and set a buy stop limit order to get triggered into this trade. I'm going to make this video as quick as possible because I don't like making long videos. So we'll do this. ATR is 44 cents. So we're going to figure out what 25% of that is. I will do 10%. So we're going to do 0.44 times 0.25. That's going to be 11 cents. So the high of this candlestick, 34.14, 34.14 plus 11 cents. We're going to get triggered in, or want to get triggered in, at $34.25. I'm going to change this, 34.25. That's going to be a buy stop limit. Buy stop limit order. We're going to figure out what our stop is going to be. We could either put it down here, or we can put it down here up below this low to be more conservative. Let's see, we'll move this. Well, I'll leave it there just so you can see where support and resistance is. So again, it's 11 cents. So we'll go 11 cents below the low. That's 25% of the ATR. So the low is 33.73. So 33.73 minus 11 cents, that's 33.62. 33.62 stop loss, and that's going to be a sell stop order to make sure trigger. That's going to trigger you out at 33.62. So that's our stop. This is our buy stop limit. Our target first TP will be about 35.01, but I'm going to give it some room. So I'm going to put about we'll say 36.01 TP number 2. All right, so we got our buy stop limit order to trigger us in at 34.25, a stop to trigger us out if the trade goes in the wrong direction at 33.66, and a target price of 36.01. Now, when it comes to 35.03, we're going to make a management decision. We're going to say, hey, we can either scale out or scale into this trade, and then go from there. So let's see here. We're going to go to trade. We're going to click on ask. We'll do it this way. We'll right click here. We're going to buy custom OCO bracket order. We're going to do a buy stop limit. Our TP, this is our TP, our stop. Our stop, we said it was going to be 33.62. Again, this triggers us out of the trade in case it goes in the wrong direction. Our stop is going to be, which is our buy stop to enter in, is going to be 34.25. 34.25. Well, we don't want to pay more than 34. Let's see. Let's give it like a 10, or no, we'll do a 5-cent run. 34.30. Our target price will be that second TP of 36. We'll just say 36 even. 36 even. I'm going to confirm and send. And that's it.